Do you want to keep your profile private on MeWe? In this video, I will show you how to make your account private on MeWe app so you can control who sees your posts and personal information. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do is to go to MeWe app. Then in this page, you will go to above to the sign of profile. You will tap on the sign of settings. Then here in this page, what you will have is public profiles. Allow others on MeWe to follow you and see your follow list. Your posts are visible to everyone on and outside of MeWe. So if you want to make your account private, you can tap here to disable, and you will find here make private, and you will make it in this way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.